So, I'm trying out yung bigay ng Skin Ever na vitamin C kasi before meron na ako nito. This one, yung parang I think it's an old formulation. Ito yung mas orange, tapos ito medyo yellow na. And I noticed parang wala na siyang sweet orange extract, which meron dito sa before. Kasi ito amoy ano talaga, parang peels ng orange. And then ito, wala na siyang scent, which I like. Kasi, ayun, as a oily, acne-prone skin, ayun, medyo sensitive talaga yung balat ko sa fragrance. So, ayun, I appreciate na, I think nag-reformulate sila and stuff. So, dito, ayun, medyo irritating ko lang yung sweet orange extract nila. Pero dito sa new one, meron na silang, yon yung, of course, vitamin C. And then, niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and centella asiatica. Which are, brightening and soothing ingredients. So, yeah. I really like this new formulation. Ano, nakaka-glow siya ng skin. So, nandito na ako guys and hinihintay ko si Mom Heart kasi siya yung may hawak ng susi.
Galing, galing!
This is Yoshi. Famous cat na siya sa TikTok. Yeah. Wow. Ay, Yoshi. Shush. How about you? Ay, Yoshi. Cody. Nee. Miss you, baby. Home. And we will unbox. This is... What's this? Huh? What's this kayo? Huh? What's this? Wow! Dental sticks nila to. Para hindi mabaho ang breath. Ito yung dental sticks nila kasi ano lang talaga siya. Ano lang talaga siya. Neat. Wala silang extenders. It's just It's just 80% chicken breast, 12% frozen chicken thigh, and then frozen chicken heart. So yeah. Yung pinamalengke.
Sorry.
Hilong-hilo na yung viewers ko. Tabachoy. Taba choice, Snowy. Ta. Ta. Namalengke kami, guys. Gusto ng camera. Pero, camera guys. Pinunasan mo na ba? Pinunasan ko na to. Uy, ang cute. Tingin tayo.
Sus, katabangan niya so eh.
Hindi ka vlog.
Oh.
Basher ka. Basher, basher. Basher, basher.
Tabang bitaw.
Pare na espiritu.